Hey there, Quentin from ServiceNow. I wanted to showcase a new tool that customers can use as they are setting up Stream Connect or all the capabilities that leverage our Hermes infrastructure, Hermes, which is our Kafka internal deployment at ServiceNow. So if you've been deploying Stream Connect or even trying Stream Connect on your instance, you know that the authentication mechanism we use to connect the Kafka client to Stream Connect leverage certificates. And there is a bunch of steps to go through to generate your own certificate so you can authenticate with the gateway. And this could be a painful process, specifically if you need to generate a certificate per Kafka topic. So in the Washington release, we have this certificate generator tool, so you don't have to go through the painful process of running a bunch of openssl command line. So on the Washington release, you'll go, it will be installed at the dependency when you activate a plugin that get Hermes configured. It will also get the instance PKI certificate generator tool. And this is used to create the set of certificate that you need to authenticate to the Kafka gateway or Stream Connect gateway or Hermes infrastructure, or to revoke certificate. So it's very straightforward. You basically put your password here. I'm just gonna put a random password. I will revoke this anyway. And what's interesting here, you can configure the ACL and basically define to what topic you want to access. You want to, for what topic you want to use the certificate with. So I will be only able to write message to the Kafka topic that I've selected here. I can also grant specific read-only privilege as well. And by the way, in order to be able to use that PKI certificate generator, you need the role Kafka admin or Kafka namespace admin. And also you need to have the specific KMF cryptographic manager role to be able to use that utility. It's an extra privilege that you need. So when I click add and save, and then I click generate, the certificate will just basically get generated for me. And as this, and then you can basically just go and download it. So you can download the keystore, download the truststore, and this will be used in your Kafka client configuration file where you configure the SSL parameters, whether or not you use a replicator, mirror maker, or the Kafka open source command line interface. You're gonna need those certificates. So that's what we just generated here. Before that, you needed to run a bunch of command line and go in the instance and click in a bunch of UI. This is just making it as a one-click process. And then you can download the keystore, download the truststore, and basically use it in your SSL configuration for your Kafka client. And you can click on Manage Certificate, and this will allow you to revoke them, basically. Revoke a certificate if you know you don't use the topic anymore. You need to clean that up. You can revoke the certificate. So that was a quick sneak peek of what's coming in the Washington release. It will be available via the store for older version like Utah and Tokyo version. You'll still be able to push it to your instance. Thank you.